Hi, my name is Boris, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add lots of emotion to your melodic techno tracks by using a Rhodes-type Pluck. We're going to use Ableton's stock electric instrument and the stock effects. Let's listen back to the track at first with all the other elements, and then I will solo this instrument so you can hear what's going on. Before we start making this sound, if you like what we are doing here, consider subscribing for more Ableton Live tips like this one. And this melodic techno project file we are working on is called Ivory, and it's available in the link in the description. Okay, so here's what this instrument is. It's the electric instrument. This one is called old piano. We are playing 2 octaves here, and we are adding some effects at the end. So without further ado, let's dive into it. I'm going to remove this whole rack and let's start from scratch. So all we need to do to start is searching for MK, and that's going to give us our presets with our Rhodes-type pianos, and it's going to be in the Instruments tab, Electric, and as you can see, there's a lot of options. So let's stick with the last one, E-piano old, adding it over here, and let's slightly modify the settings here. With the symmetry, let's go up to around 90, and with the hammer's force, let's go down to around 30. So this is what it's going to sound like. Pretty soft by now, but we are going to add a chord device that is going to play octaves for us, and that actually goes before our instrument because it's a MIDI effect, and you will find it in MIDI effects, chord. Let's place it over here, and the first note we're going to raise by 12 semitones and the second one by 24, and with both of these notes we're going to go down in velocity 0.60. okay. And that's the basis of our sound.
Just a quick break before we go back to the tutorial. If you find these type of videos helpful, we can highly recommend the PML Academy with over 35 full-length online courses, spreading over topics like writing chords and melodies or arranging your songs to producing entire songs from start to finish. So check out the link in the description to see what's inside the All Courses bundle exactly.
Now let's add some effects on top. Let's search for chorus, and that's going to add a little bit of stereo interest. Maybe let's go down with the dry wet. Maybe let's also add a high pass effect. And in this way we are removing some of the low frequencies from the stereo effect. The next thing we're going to add is an echo device. So searching for echo, let's mess around. Okay, so sticking around 30% and adding some reverb as well. And now also let's add an equalizer, EQ8, and we're going to add a high cut. At around 150 Hz so that we are removing the muddy low end. And the last thing we want to add is a glue compressor so that our sound has a really sharp attack and that its volume is a little bit normalized as well. Okay, so the only thing we need to change here is changing the attack all the way down. Okay, and now also bringing up the makeup. And now we can actually play this sound with our track. that's it for this sound. Now we can group it inside an instrument rack and you can save it for later. All you need to do is select the last device, hold Shift and select the first one, and Command and G groups it on Mac and Control G groups it on Windows. And now you can call it Alt MK Piano and we can actually save it. And now I have saved it in my instrument rack presets. Yeah, that would be it for this tutorial. Thank you guys very much for watching. Consider checking out our Music Production Academy because we've got a lot of start to finish courses for both beginners and more advanced producers. Subscribe and hit the notification bell as well. Like and comment if you liked this video, and I will see you in the next one.